This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today I'm going to show how to thoroughly clean your Bosch dryer's filter. And this is the filter opening after the filter's been removed. I'm just using an old brush to clean some of the lint that accumulates, especially off of the silver temperature probe that you can see when you look in here.
The more we get
so this one's kind of buried, but using the brush to get all the lint off of that silver temperature probe, that's important so that the dryer can tell more what the temperature is inside. So then when we look at the filter, it's common that they look kind of gray, but on the Bosch and the Miele, you want to actually look at this and it should be really bright white, kind of like a white stocking. So I'm just peeling off some of the lint. This is something you should do every time that you use it, but this more thorough cleaning you could do maybe once every couple of months. So using an old toothbrush and some dishwasher detergent along with a lot of hot water, and I'm just going over the screens here, thoroughly getting all of the dirt out. And what it does is it creates much better airflow. You can kind of see the difference when you go over it with the brush. And this is going to help your dryer to dry a lot faster. Some of the Bosch dryers will actually have a code come up when they can't have really good airflow due to the filter being so clogged, and that they're kind of finicky in that way. So if you ever get a weird code, try just cleaning your filter like this really thoroughly, and that might get rid of it. So again, we're just using really hot water, toothbrush for abrasion, and the soap to help break it up. If you use those dryer lint sheets, you want to do this even more often because they can make a waxy coating. Probably wouldn't recommend using those on the Bosch or Miele because the filters are so fine, the waxy coating would virtually just block the entire filter. So doing this even more often then would be a good idea. And I'm just using some paper towels now to dry it off. And again, it should look like a really nice white stocking when it's done, and not really a gray color, but more a bright white color or see-through. So this one looks really good, and it'll just take you a couple of minutes. You don't have to dry it off because when the dryer runs, it'll evaporate. Get the case nice and clean. And then we're pretty much done. We can just pop it in. If it's a condensation dryer that doesn't have a vent, then there's another filter that you have to clean. But if it's just the regular vented one, that's all you got to do. And then just put it back in, make sure it's fully seated, and your dryer will actually dry a lot faster and use less energy. So hopefully that'll help you. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate you coming to our channel. Please subscribe when you get a chance by pressing the subscribe button and also the bell button so we can send you notifications of any new videos that come along. And we have a new thing here called the applaud button. If you really liked the video, if it was helpful to you, if you can click that, we really appreciate that. It shows your interest in our channel and your support, and can't thank you enough. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.